In this video, we'll go through the steps to do a reading for hydrogen peroxide in a treated water supply. Now, why do this? If you're treating your water with hydrogen peroxide, you'll have a set target range that you are aiming for. This will require regular testing to make sure your water stays within that range. For this, we're using a photometer. The first step when testing for hydrogen peroxide is to turn the meter on using the zero on button. Then, using the menu button, press it until you get the menu for hydrogen peroxide, which is shown as HP. We then want to fill the cell with water, and then using the cleaning brush, just give that cell a quick clean to make sure that it's super clean when we do this test. Now we're going to fill the cell with the sample water 3 times and discard. This is just to make sure that there's no cross-contamination in that cell at all, and the reading we get is true for our water sample. Once that's done, fill the cell to the top with water and place on a flat surface. Take out one of your hydrogen peroxide test strips, place somewhere safe and dry, and put the lid back on the bottle to make sure no light gets in there. Next, zero the meter, pressing the zero on button. Put the cap on. Pick up your test strip. We're going to dip that into the sample cell and press read at the same time. Moving the cell back and forth while the monitor counts down from 20 to 1. When the monitor reaches 1, we're going to take the strip out and put the cap cover on. The monitor will now count up to 100 and then it will flash and give us our reading. While we're waiting for that to give us our reading, I'll mention that you can purchase these units from Zychem. We have a big range of water sanitizing products, as well as all the testing kits and equipment you'll need to meet your health and industry requirements. We're almost there. When the meter gets to 100, it's going to flash and then give us our reading. And if you have one of our older photometers, the procedure is the same, except the menu displays as HP6. So the photometer is just calculating and will deliver a reading any second now. 31 ppm. So this is saying this water sample here has 31 ppm of hydrogen peroxide. Once you have the reading, discard the water and give the cell a good clean. For more information on water sanitizing products and testing equipment, contact Zychem or visit our website.